Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. In earlier classes, we completed theory part related to dot product of vectors. In that theory part, we derived all the results related to dot product of vectors. In dot product of vectors, total we have 15 formulas. These 15 formulas are very important to do exercise problems related to dot product of vectors. So I just want to quickly recall all those 15 formulas. Before going to start this video, please drop a like for this video. Without much delay, let's begin the class. Dot product related formulas. Dot product is also known as scalar product. What is first formula in dot product of vectors? This first formula we learned from the definition of dot product of vectors. What is a bar dot b bar? This we learned from the definition. A bar dot b bar is magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into cos theta. Here theta is angle between the vectors a bar comma b bar. If you observe this magnitude of a bar is a scalar. Magnitude of b bar is a scalar. Cos theta, for any angle theta, cos theta is a scalar. Scalar into scalar into scalar is a scalar. So our second formula is a bar dot b bar is a scalar. See, our second formula is a bar dot b bar is a scalar. Scalar means it is a constant. Whenever you do dot product of vectors, answer is always a number. A bar dot b bar is 1 by 2, a bar dot b bar is minus 1 by 2, a bar dot b bar is minus 3 by 2. Like that you will get a number. Remember this is very useful. When you do dot product of two vectors, you will always get a scalar. Scalar means constant. Okay. So second formula is what? A bar dot b bar is a scalar. The third formula we will get from this first formula, that is cos theta. From this first formula, what is cos theta? You take magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar to the left hand side. So the third formula is cos theta equal to a bar dot b bar divided by magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. This formula we are getting from this first formula only. What is cos theta? A bar dot b bar divided by magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. This is formula number 3. We use this formula very frequently. You observe this fourth formula. A bar comma b bar are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. Here you consider that a bar b bar are two non-zero vectors. Okay. If two non-zero vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. We can use it as if and only if condition. If a bar dot b bar is 0, then we can say that those two vectors are perpendicular. So this fourth formula is very important. If two non-zero vectors a bar comma b bar are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. This we can consider as if and only if condition also. If a bar dot b bar is 0, then we say that those two vectors are perpendicular. So you learned 4 formulas. Total 15 formulas are there. This fifth formula is very useful result. You see, a bar dot a bar dot a bar is magnitude of a bar whole square. Why? All those things I already explained in the earlier classes. This is quick revision of all the formulas. Okay, a bar dot a bar is magnitude of a bar whole square. So whenever you see b bar dot b bar, that can be written as magnitude of b bar whole square. Sometimes a bar dot a bar can be written as a bar square. A bar square means what? A bar square means a bar dot a bar. Suppose you saw b bar square. B bar square means b bar dot b bar. Somewhere you saw a bar plus b bar whole square. A bar plus b bar whole square is nothing but a bar plus b bar dot a bar plus b bar. Like that we use this formula. This is also frequently used formula. A bar dot a bar is magnitude of a bar whole square, which is same as a bar square. This is the sixth formula. You see this sixth formula, I cap dot I cap. I cap dot I cap is what? It is 1. J cap dot J cap, that is also 1. K cap dot K cap, that is also 1. So I cap dot I cap equal to J cap dot J cap equal to K cap dot K cap equal to 1. Why? Already we derived all these results. Just quickly recalling these formulas. Okay. It is important, you need to memorize all these formulas to do exercise problems very easily. Spend some time to learn all these formulas. Once you are thorough in all these formulas, exercise problems are going to be dead easy. I cap dot J cap. I cap is along x axis, j cap is along y axis. As they are perpendicular, I cap dot j cap is 0, j cap dot k cap is 0, k cap dot I cap is 0. The seventh formula is a bar dot b bar is same as b bar dot a bar. Simple result, but we use frequently. A bar dot b bar is same as b bar dot a bar. Total 15 formulas are there. 7 formulas are completed. Take pen, paper, write these formulas. Try to learn now only so that you can understand exercise problems very easily. See this 8th formula. Projection of b bar on a bar. We frequently use this formula while doing exercise problems. Projection of b bar on a bar. The formula is a bar dot b bar divided by magnitude of a bar. To memorize this, there is a trick. Projection of b bar on a bar. They are saying on a bar, na? So in the denominator, magnitude of a bar will be there. So projection of b bar on a bar formula, a bar dot b bar divided by magnitude of a bar. Projection of a bar on b bar formula is what? A bar dot b bar divided by magnitude of b bar. To memorize this, what is the trick? Projection of a bar on b bar. On b bar they are saying, na? On b bar. So in the denominator, magnitude of b bar will be there. So projection of b bar on a bar is a bar dot b bar divided by magnitude of a bar. Projection of a bar on b bar is a bar dot b bar divided by magnitude of b bar. 9th formula. That 9th formula we will get from this 8th formula only. From this 8th formula, you observe I can write a bar dot b bar. What is a bar dot b bar? You take magnitude of a bar to the left hand side. What you will get? Magnitude of a bar into projection of b bar on a bar. From this formula, a bar dot b bar is what? Take magnitude of a bar to this side. What you will get? Magnitude of a bar into projection of b bar on a bar. If you know 8th formula, 9th formula you can write easily. Okay, now from this only, from this also we can write a bar dot b bar, right? You take magnitude of b bar to this side. What is a bar dot b bar? A bar dot b bar is magnitude of b bar into projection of a bar on b bar. So a bar dot b bar we can write like this. For this also trick is there. When it starts with the magnitude of a bar, it ends with a bar. Magnitude of a bar into projection of b bar on a bar. Magnitude of b bar, when it starts with b bar, it ends with b bar. So a bar dot b bar can be written as magnitude of b bar into projection of a bar on b bar. Little bit of practice is needed, that's it. Okay, 9 formulas completed. Another 6 formulas are there. 10th one seems to be simple, very frequently used formula. M is a scalar. M a bar dot b bar can be written as m times of a bar dot b bar. A bar dot m b bar, this can be written as m times of a bar dot b bar. So if I extend this formula, this can be written like this: m a bar dot n b bar. M a bar dot n b bar. Here m n are scalars. This can be written as mn times of a bar dot b bar. We use this very frequently. 11th formula. We learned that dot product is distributive in vector addition. What is that formula? That formula is a bar dot b bar plus c bar. A bar dot b bar plus c bar formula is what? The formula is a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar. A bar dot b bar plus c bar formula is what? A bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar. 12th formula, most important, very frequently used formula in dot product of vectors. What is that formula? If a bar equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, b bar equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap, then a bar dot b bar, this is very important formula. A bar dot b bar formula is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. This is most important formula, right? So whatever 12 formulas I written here, they are very important. Now another 3 formulas are there. Let's see what are those 3 formulas. These are the formulas we use very frequently. What are those formulas? Magnitude of a bar plus b bar whole square. Magnitude of a bar plus b bar whole square is magnitude of a bar square plus magnitude of b bar square plus 2 times of a bar dot b bar. This is dot, not into. 2 times of a bar dot b bar. This is then the magnitude of a bar plus b bar whole square. That can be written as a bar plus b bar whole square also. That means this can be written as A bar plus B bar whole square also. So what is A bar plus B bar whole square formula? A bar plus B bar whole square is magnitude of A bar square plus magnitude of B bar square plus 2 times of A bar dot B bar. In the same way, magnitude of A bar minus B bar whole square is same as A bar minus B bar whole square. What is the formula for magnitude of A bar minus B bar whole square? The formula is magnitude of A bar square plus magnitude of B bar square minus 2 times of A bar dot B bar. Now 14th formula. You observe this is the 14th formula. What is 14th formula? A bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar is modulus of A bar square minus modulus of B bar square. A bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar is magnitude of A bar square minus magnitude of B bar square. We use this formula very frequently. Okay, now last formula, 15th formula in this. This is the last formula, magnitude of A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square, which is same as A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square. What is the formula for this? Magnitude of A bar square plus magnitude of B bar square plus magnitude of C bar square plus 2 times of A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar. So these are the 15 formulas we learned in theory part related to dot product of vectors. In earlier classes, I already derived all these results. Listen this carefully. If you want to be good in dot product exercise problems, you must be thorough in all these 15 formulas. If you are thorough in all these 15 formulas, you can do exercise problems very easily. Please believe me, take pen paper, write all 15 formulas at one place, practice these formulas. Once you are good in these formulas, you are ready to do exercise problems. If you like this video, please drop a like for this video and share this video with your friends so that they'll also will get benefit. In case if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.